Welcome, and today we're going to be roasting Premier League teams. Watch along to find out what roast we do.
Brighton, you are flying away from Europe.
Villa, the lion on your badge is roaring you away from the league title.
Bournemouth, your performances bore me.
Options left and right.
Too boring.
Fulham, you probably have more ham than points in the Premier League.
Nottingham Forest, all of your players must be lost in a forest the way you guys are playing football.
Burnley, you are burning all those losses.
Chelsea, the only thing I can see on your profile is bad results.
Wolves, you are howling away from the Premier League. Sheffield United, your chefs are cooking relegation.